The action is, let's say, making noises. All right? What is making noises defined under disruption, disrespect, refusal, and safety? It's a disruption. So this is kind of cause and effect, all right? You made noises, created a disruption, which violated one of your school's values. Right off the top, what's one of the school values that you guys worked on that you think about? Okay, community. You violated community, which is one of our schools and our classroom values. Remember, your school might not operate under a set of values, but your classroom can. All right, so your classroom operates under community. Community means that I'm able to recognize when my actions impact others and when I may have created a disruption. I didn't do that. So I violated community. So now I've got to figure out how to make that better. So I assign a consequence. I, the adult. What's a consequence for disruption that violates community? Giving back to community. So it may be some sort of restitution, giving back. I will have kids clean up a mess that was made by a science experiment. I will have kids take 5 minutes away from their choice or free time to dismantle a bulletin board that needs to be dismantled. I will ask other teachers in the building, I will ask all my teachers, please make a list of all things that you need to done, jobs that need to be done in this building, in these hallways, in this community. And those are things that I use for consequences. And you know what else I find out sometimes? Is that the kids like that. And now I know exactly why they created the disruption. What was the function of that behavior? To get noticed, to get attention. So now I know I can, in the future, I can figure out this is a kid who actually needs some sort of regular community, doesn't fit in. So I keep working on that to reduce the level of disruption so they don't have to use disruption to get that attention. So sometimes the consequence gives us a lot of information. So we're related back to our value and so forth. So think about the consequence wheel, I call it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.